Are you ready to transform your life and achieve your goals? Welcome to Tech Savvy Digital Products, where I'm all about helping you succeed. As a passionate content creator, I've dedicated myself to creating courses and tutorials that will take you to the next level. Whether you want to master a new skill, improve your business, or enhance your personal health and fitness, I'm here to help. At Tech Savvy Digital Products, my PayHip store is loaded with a wide range of digital products, including ebooks and audiobooks packed with practical tips and strategies. But that's not all. I'll also share affiliate links to physical products that I've personally tested and recommended for achieving your health and fitness goals. I believe that everyone has the potential to achieve greatness, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something for you here. My mission is to work with you and turn your dreams into a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards success and explore my store on PayHip. I promise you won't be disappointed. Let's work together and make your journey to greatness an unforgettable one. Thank you for considering Tech Savvy Digital Products.